Hello everyone, today I'm gonna give you some idea or give you some knowledge or experience about the maintenance for the car, for new car and used car. For the beginner, if no one have experienced anything about fix or change anything about the car for beginner, this may be short list video or short list information to guideline for you. Okay, let's start with the first one. If you buy a new car, like a new from 5 mile, 10 or 1,000 or 2,000 mile, in the first two couple years, like example this year 2026, and you bought 2025, 2024, and the mileage really low, so this is gonna be a thing you're gonna have to do. First, tire pressure. You can check every week or every month, making sure you can read on the side of the door. It's gonna show how many psi for your front and the rear for you to pump the air to the tire. Second, let me give you an idea on this one. Tire pressure. Every every vehicle, every car have a different psi. Example, my car is a hatchback. My PSI is a front 35, the rear 33, and the truck might be 33 front, 33 rear. So be careful with that one. Read the instruction on the side of the door when you open it. You can have the QR code. For me, only my car. For my car is a front 35 psi, the rear 33 psi. Each car, each rim, each wheel have a different tire pressure to pump. Okay, the second one, engine oil or oil change. This one you can do every 5,000 miles to change. Let me 5,000 miles to change. If your car is turbo, I recommend between 3,000 to 4,000 to change. And the next one, windshield wash fluid is the blue leak. You can see on when you open the hook of the trunk, the front, you can see the blue windshield, the blue leak. It has the water, it has the hole. It's at the front. You can see that when you open it. Just put a normal windshield fluid, water, not water, windshield fluid to put on that one. And next one, air filter and cabin filter. Air filter is for the engine filter. It has another name called engine filter. It's for the front, so you take the air from the outside come to inside. Cabin filter is the filter that keep the air inside your car to have a good smell. The air filter for engine, you can change this one every 20,000 miles. Cabin filter you can change every 10,000 or 12,000 miles for one time. So you don't have to care anything anymore. If you change and you still have some smell, that means it's nothing wrong with your car. Sometimes the environment, the road, it have the gas, something fire or something that burn, or some smell is animal body or something on the side of the road or something. It has the smell coming inside. So don't worry about that. Sometimes it happens. Okay, next, about for the person who bought a used car, to be worried about how is called can be called a used car and different a new car. Okay, new is for first owner, like you just bought from the dealership. Used car is from the second hand or third hand, like someone already have that car, own that car before, and you bought after that person. First thing I'm gonna check with battery. This one depends on how many years for the car battery, but if you worry, I recommend you have to change it. how many years you should change the battery, I recommend if the car older than 3 to 5 years, I recommend you have to change it. If you don't want to knock out any middle of the road on the highway, on the somewhere else, they have no building, no one around there, it's gonna be unsafe. So I recommend the battery need to be changed if the car is older than 3 years, because a lithium ion life battery is between 3 to 4 years. The maximum is 5 years, but if you want to be safe, if the battery for that car is older than 3 years that you bought, you have to change it. And the tire is very important, because everyone has a different type of driving. Not everyone drive slow, not everyone drive safe. You don't know the person who bought it before. They change it, they fix it, or they had a pothole or pad on it. So I recommend change the tire. It can be whatever tire that you want, but if you don't be feel headache, I recommend you buy the tire all season. The tire all season, so you don't have to worry anything. So you can drive in summer, snow, rain, fall, spring. So don't have to worry anything. The next one, transmission fluid. What is the transmission fluid? It's the gear that you are using for driving every day. You can okay, how transmission look like. You can see the P, RAM, normal, dry, sport. Some cars have an M, some cars have an L. So that's a transmission. I have the other name is called gear. If the manual you won't see this one. The manual is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the rear. You change this one every 30,000 miles. Change every 30,000 miles for the transmission fluid. And next one, the coolant system. Is this one you don't need to be changed. You have to checking. You go to the dealer or somewhere else. You do a diagnostic test. I might say right wrong or something. My hand is not good, so sorry about that. You can do a diagnostic test. So the dealer gonna checking everything for your car to see something wrong. The coolant system is broken or not. How the coolant system not working or something. When you jump into the car, you turn the air condition. Air condition is called AC. You can see this word on the car. If you spend driving more than 30 minutes to an hour and the air condition is not cold, and in the winter when you turn on the heat, it doesn't warm anything, that means the coolant is leaking or the coolant system is not working. If you just jumping turn on 5 to 10 minutes, don't worry about that. If it's still hot or feel cold, that is normal, because you leave your car outside for the whole day for too long. The environment, climate, temperature is going to be bring to inside your car. If you're driving more than 1 hour, if nothing change, the temperature didn't change. If you want to be cold, it's not cold. If you want to be heat or hot, it's not hot. So that means the coolant system has a problem. So bring to the dealership to diagnostic test to check. Okay, the next one is very important: brake fluid and brake pad. Everyone have different type of use the brake pad when or brake when they drive. This one simple check. You can see the box when you open the trunk, the front. You can see the word mint. Oh no, my bad. Mac mint. If you're not sure which one it is, brake fluid or engine fluid, something, just take a look which one is have a Mac and mint in the trunk or in the box, something. If the liquid is about me in the middle, that means still good. But if it's around nearly mint, that means you have to add on or change it. Say, change the fluid for that one. And the next one, brake pad. I recommend if you don't know how the first owner or the person who owned that car before you, how they use the brake pad or something, I recommend change the brake fluid and brake pad at the same time. So after that, you don't worry or anything. How long a brake pad can stay is depend on how normally people drive or you drive. So for me, I recommend you have to change brake pad when it jump to 42,000 or 50,000 miles. Sometimes it depends on how you use, but normally it can be changed when 42,000 or 50,000 for the brake pad. When you change the brake pad, I recommend change a brake rotate. It's like a disc. The brake pad is the front of it. If possible, I recommend change both of it at the same time to be safe. Okay, the last one, alignment. What is the alignment? The alignment is for adjust the balance for car to driving. You just do this one once per year, that's enough. Just do one times a year. You don't have to worry anything. So just do one times a year, and you don't know how the person who drive before you or you driving, you drop to the hole very hard or something, and the steering wheel is not stable. So do the alignment. So it's gonna fix how you drive. It's gonna be safe for a year. Just do once a year. So that's it. Okay. Thank you for watching.